My name is Dan Gamble, and I'm a conservator here at Historic Jamestown. And today I'm working on what we call a jack of plates. And basically it's a breastplate made up of small bits of armor, much like this piece right here. Imagine these little plates spread out over this small area. And so I'm using this tool we call a Paleo Tool to remove some of the soil and uncover all of these plates so we can have a better look at it, and that'll help determine exactly how we're going to treat it. Jack of plates were used as far back as the 14th century, all the way into the 17th century. They were considered during the 17th century as somewhat primitive, but here in Virginia they were very effective against arrows. This jack of plates was found in a soldier's pit near the western wall. It was very difficult to remove from the ground. We had to completely excavate it, uncover the whole surface, clean it off, and then we coated it with a hardener called Roplex, and also used what we call cheesecloth and covered the whole artifact, and then we were able to undercut it with a metal plate and lift it out. It took about 1 to 2 days to get it out completely. This is the X-ray of our jack of plates, and you can see that there's over 100 plates at least that make up this breastplate. And these X-rays are very important because this helps us determine the exact shape of the jack of plates, and also helps us determine the metal content of those plates. You can see here in the center it's a heavy white, so we know that the metal is much stronger out here than it is right here along the edge. You can see it's very cloudy. So these X-rays will help me determine exactly how I'm going to treat this jack of plates. In order to clean all the dirt off this jack of plates, I use a lot of different tools. This is one example. This is a Paleo Tool. It runs off air pressure, and it vibrates, and it removes or helps break up a lot of the soil on top of the jack of plates. I also use small brushes to help remove a lot of the loose soil, and I'll use picks in areas where I don't want there to be a lot of vibration from metal. I'll use a pick to help break off some of the loose soil. This piece will take approximately a year to complete, and hopefully within a year I'll have it completely done, and we can put it on the site to show you folks.